Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel Biology Tech. In our previous videos, we have learned about homeostasis, what is homeostasis, types of homeostasis, and the process which is included in animals. Then they do homeostasis. So we have discussed homeostasis broadly, and we have also discussed the some types of plants in which we have learned about xerophytes. But today I am going to tell you about hydrophytes. Hydrophytes is also a type of plants which lives in water, because xerophytes lives in dry water. On the other hand, hydrophytes lives in the water excess amount. So today I am going to tell you about hydrophytes. If you are new on my channel, then please like and subscribe our channel Biology Tech, and also press the bell icon so you can get all these type of videos on time. So let's start our video. So guys, there you can see that I have already searched their hydrophytes meaning and characteristics plants botany. In this article we will see discuss about one meaning of hydrophytes, number two is characteristics of hydrophytes, and number third is ecological adaptations, and number fourth is anatomical features. There you can see some online jobs also. These are ads running here. The mechanical and vascular tissues of many hydrophytes is reduced and supports them. They often have large intercellular air spaces in their stems, roots, and leaves to overcome the difficulty of obtaining gases from the water. Hydrophytes that are partially submerged have floating leaves with stomata through which gases can be exchanged as in land plants. However, to prevent the leaves being flooded with water, the petioles may be very long to adjust easily to change in water level. In the giant water lily Victoria regia, the enormous leaves have a vertical rim to prevent them from being flooded. From some species like water crowfoot, Ranunculus aquatilis has both finely divided submerged leaves and floating leaves with stomata. Aquatic plants are plants that have adapted to living in aquatic environments, salt water or fresh water. They are also referred to as hydrophytes or macrophytes. These plants require special adaptations for living submerged in water or at water's surface. The most common adaptation is parenchyma by floating leaves, and finely dissected leaves are also common. Aquatic plants can only grow in water or in soil that is permanently saturated with water. They are therefore a common component of waterland. There you can see some characteristics of also xerophytes. There you can see there are also some characteristics: floating plants, deep water plants, marginal plants, and oxygenating plants. Characteristics of hydrophytes. Hydrophytes are aquatic plants that are especially situated for living in an aquatic environment. In order to survive, a hydrophytic, also known as aquatic macrophyte, must either be completely submerged in water or in some cases be allowed to float on the surface of water. Water retention. Plants require water to survive. Plants usually possess the ability to absorb and retain water to keep the plant alive between watering cycle. Because aquatic plants are literally submerged in water at all times, there is no need for plants to water retention like non-aquatic plants. As such, there is no need for aquatic plants to expend energy to regulate transpiration, which is lost for water in the plant due to evaporation. Then flat leaves. Some aquatic plants float on the surface of water. Most aquatic plants have flat leaves which acts as floating to the portion of the plant. An example of such a plant is the water lily nymphaea attraction, which is the beautiful bright red water lily that can have up to a 12-inch diameter leaf. There you can see the feathery roots. Hydrophytes are supported by water as compared to roots and stem structures. Most hydrophytes have roots that are small and feathery. These are designed to take in oxygen from the water, and since the plant is fully submerged in water at all times, there is less need for a long and thick root structure. One plant that has a feathery root in the Salvinia, which is free floating aquatic ferns. There you can see air stacks also present in some plants. Others such as water lilies will float on up to the surface, or since their leaves distribute the weight across the surface of the water. So guys, I hope you like this video about hydrophytes. If you want more this type of videos, then please like and subscribe our channel Biology Tech, and also press the bell icon so you can get all these type of videos on time.